Greetings, beautiful beings. Welcome to our 5-minute Discover the Power meditation practice that can be completed on any day at any time throughout your day. Feel free to continue laying down in your bed or wherever you are resting, or you can sit up with your legs crossed straight, elongated back, with your hands on your knees facing downwards to ground all of the goodness that this practice will bring. Keep a slight gaze or feel free to close your eyes and breathe here naturally. If it is comfortable, you can loosen the muscles in your face, dropping your mouth slightly open and releasing your tongue from the roof of your mouth. Breathing here naturally, we want to bring awareness to your mind, body, and breath. Accept any emotions or sensations that you may be experiencing. In this liberation, free yourself of any issues that may be hindering you and recognize that the space that you are offering is meant for connection to your mental, emotional, spiritual, and physical states. Be receptive to your space being filled with the power of meditation. Continue to breathe naturally. Let's take 3 rounds of deep breaths as we release our ego and ground ourselves. If it is comfortable for you, place one hand over your heart and one over your stomach. Take a deep breath inhale in through your nostrils, then exhale it out with a deep sigh. Feel your chest and stomach expand and release any restraints or distractions. 2 more times. Another deep breath inhale in through your nostrils, then exhale out through your mouth with a deep sigh out. One last time. Take one last deep inhale in through both nostrils, then exhale it out with a deep sigh. For a few moments, find the natural rhythm of your breathing, further grounding yourself to the earth. Now place your right thumb over your right nostril and press softly in closing it. Keeping your mouth closed, inhale through your left nostril for 5 seconds. Hold your breath for 3 seconds while releasing your right thumb from your right nostril and restrict your left nostril with your left thumb. And release your breath through your right nostril on an exhale for 5 seconds. Repeat this one more time on the other side. This time, release your left nostril and use your right thumb to hold your right nostril. Inhale for 5 seconds through your left nostril. Hold your breath for 3 seconds while releasing your right thumb from your right nostril. And restrict your left nostril with your left thumb and release your breath through your right nostril on an exhale for 5 seconds. Release your hands down to your knees with your palms facing upwards to receive the power in this practice. Allow your breath to find its rhythm naturally and for your heart rate to normalize from the spike it experienced when you discovered the power in meditation. Reflect on the beautiful sensations you feel as you continue to soothe your soul with the natural breaths and stillness you are witnessing in this moment. All right, beautiful beings. As we close this meditation, we manifest intentional thoughts, genuine thoughts, and peaceful thoughts. Intentional words, genuine words, and peaceful words. Intentional love, genuine love, and peaceful love. And if you would like added affirmations and manifestations, we are going to take a deep inhale to prepare. And on your exhale, we are going to do I am power statements. I representing inspiration, A representing affirmations, and M representing manifestations. I am discovering the power in meditation. I am magical. I am divine. I am powerful. I am unstoppable. I am peaceful. I am focused. I am worthy. I am beautiful. I am enough. I am here to achieve optimal wellness. I am taking back my power. And I am grateful for another day and another opportunity at life. Thank you. Ashe. Now, if you are prepared to move forward with your day, we are going to go ahead and take a breath in to prepare and exhale and begin to awaken your body. Open your eyes, wiggle your fingers and toes, close your mouth and breathe naturally. If you are laying down, Take an inhale to prepare, and on your exhale, turn over onto your side in a fetal position. Stay here for a moment and place your hand on the ground and lift yourself up into a seated position. If you are sitting, uncross your legs, release your arms, and shake both gently. Thank you so much for participating, and we hope that you enjoyed this Discover the Power in Meditation practice today. Feel free to save this for future reference. We manifest a positive, productive, and peaceful remainder of the day. Peace.